Hello, Larry here with PriceIt Software. Today I'm going to show you the other half of the video showing you how to use the customer web portal that has been developed by PriceIt Software. And I'm going to show you the side of this that your customers will see and what experience that they'll have. So the first thing we want to do is we want to, up here in the address bar, we just want to put in the link to the area where the login is, and once that comes up, you'll simply put in your email address and password and click OK. There's the that'll be your header, by the way, and immediately we can see here that orders waiting for approval. We slide one over to orders in progress. We can see what orders are currently in progress, and we can see status of each one. For instance, have the goods been ordered, received, artwork done, screens made, etc. We see jobs that are done that are not paid, and we can see a history of completed orders. So probably the first thing you want to know is, well, how do I create an order? So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. We're going to click on the green button, create a new order. And what this is going to do is it's going to open up a page that says what type of order is this, and you'll say screen print or embroidery. So today we're going to say screen print, and what you're going to see here is kind of like a stripped down version of your order entry screen. Your customer will put in their product ID, and as you can see, those products are already there, so this is going to save them a lot of hassle too. So we click on, let's just choose the good old Gildan standby. Of course we have the description. We're going to pick the color. And all they have to do is put in their quantities. So we're going to put in some random numbers here. And again, this is pretty cool because this could be used by your contractors or maybe some of your high volume customers. So there we go. We put in the product that we want printed. How many colors, front or back. Let's just say it's a 3-color front. And if you have an artwork number, you could put that in there. But you don't have to. At this point, you could right click in this area in the container field. Click Insert into Container. It's going to open up an upload dialog, and here we're going to just choose a file. And for today, we're just going to grab anything we can here. Let's grab this cute little penguin, and we're going to upload that. Boom! There it is. You can also upload the original artwork, EPS, things like that, to this documents associated with this order. This could also be like POs that are generated or PDFs and things like that. But I'm going to click on this right now. And we can also upload the original files. Same way we did down here, only this could be like the working file for artwork and things like that. So we've got 3-color. Just put in your colors. They'll put in like, whatever the colors that they want printed. In this case, we're going to say black, white, and orange, I guess. And orange. Okay, now if there's a PO associated with this, that's where you could put the number in here. And if there's a reference number as well, they could put that in here as well. If there's a deadline, they need to choose that as well. So at this point, we'll just say, let's say it's due on the 4th. And at that point, this order's been put in. We'll click in Done. Order will need to be approved by management. So what's going to happen on the other side in the order entry screen is it's going to say, and I'll show you what that looks like. Let me grab one of these PriceIts here and show you where that will be. There we go. So this little section here where it says approved, yes or no. If I go back to the last order in this record, this has not been approved. So we can go ahead and approve that if we want. We're going to say yes. Let's get that out of the way. And then we can come back here and see orders waiting for approval. Of course, here's this order. I must have approved a different order on the other side, but this also is where the customer can approve this as well, so they can go ahead and approve this order. Yes. And we can come over here to jobs in progress like we did before. I showed you that. And we can see what jobs are in the queue. Here's the one we just put in. And we can see that goods have not been ordered or received. And as those get done, those will be changed from no to yes. Pretty self-explanatory. Jobs that are done are not paid. If there were any, they would show up in here, and they could also pay from here. And The cool thing is, as they're interfacing with this, it sends all that information right to your PriceIt. So getting emails, phone calls, phone tag, email tag, all that stuff can go by the wayside. Have them put their information in. You're working on your end, they're working on their end. Saves you a lot of time and hassle. History of completed orders, we can see here. Of course, there are no completed orders on this demo, but if there were, they would be right there. That's pretty much the system as they're going to experience it from the customer side or the contractor side. Well, they have show art in here. I guess you could click on that and see what that looks like. We have a separate area for embroidery artwork, but you're only going to see the artwork used that's appropriate for this type of order. All right, so that's about it. If you have any questions, just give us a call, shoot us an email. We're here to help. If you want to try this thing out, it is subscription based. We could talk about pricing when you give us a call. I think you'll like it. The number here is 802-257-5188. Again, it's 802-257-5188. And as always, we do appreciate you as our customers and look forward to continuing to serve you for many years to come. One last note, as I clicked log out, it took us to a website. This would be your website. It would take them to once they're done with the order. So pretty cool little features. I'm digging it. I hope you do too. And we'll talk soon. Thanks a lot.